morning, welcome to another day of Vlogmas. I don't really have too much planned for today, so I don't know how exciting today is gonna be, but I'm vlogging anyway because I'm trying to challenge myself with Vlogmas. So if you like these kind of videos, definitely give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. So let's get into it. I'm pretty much done with the video, but it's basically lunchtime now, so I'm just gonna eat the little bit of pasta that was left over that I had last night, that Bertolli's one. If you saw Vlogmas, what day was that? It's day 2. It's all blurring together at this point. I literally just finished editing that video, so that's Vlogmas day 2. We're doing 3 now. But yeah, I'm just gonna eat the leftovers of the pasta. I don't remember if I talked about my Santa Claus towel, but this is something I got last year at Target, and I really liked it because it has like a black Santa on it. I just think that's so cute. I'm hungry. Hey. Okay, so here's the pasta left over. Super basic, so I'm about to eat that and then take like a little break, like maybe watch a couple of YouTube videos, and then I will probably start cleaning and stuff. It's actually a kind of nice day. It's like not freezing, it's just a little bit cold, and I kind of want to go for a walk. So I'm gonna drive to the park. We can see the Christmas tree. Okay, so I'm wearing sweatshirt from Walmart, leggings are from Amazon, and then my Brooks like tennis shoes, and then this is just my little crossbody purse from H&M. I like this one because it fits my camera, and then also if I fold up my tripod, you see how it bends? If I bend it nicely, it'll still fit in this as well. So off we go. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I have one AirPod in so I can listen to music, but then I can also be alert with my other ear. And I decided to go to Avondale Park. So I just drove over here. They have like ducks and stuff, so it's super cute over here. And I don't get as itchy here as I do at like Railroad Park. So I'm gonna walk until probably 45 minutes to an hour. I've been walking for about 45 minutes now, and I'm kind of ready to be done. So once I hit 45, I'm gonna go back home. Had to get me some water. That was a great little walk. I wonder how many steps did I get? Let me look. It looks like total for the day, I now have 7,000 steps. And I've gone about 3 miles. Yes. Yay, that's super exciting. The walk total ended up being about 50 minutes by the time I got back to my car. So I am ready to clean a little bit. I'm gonna break down these boxes that have like some of my Christmas stuff in them. And I really need to sweep and vacuum. That's really important. These 2 boxes, I just folded them up and put them on either side of my laundry. Obviously, I need to put this laundry away, but this is just so I don't have to like go all the way back to my storage unit just to store the 2 boxes. Here's my mop and stuff. I usually keep it right here and it'll still fit. So I'm excited about that. For these items, as you can see, my apartment's a mess, like I told you guys. These, I'm gonna see if they'll fit in those cabinets behind my above my refrigerator because I don't really store anything up there, I don't think. So we'll just see if it fits. If not, I don't know. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. I'm about to check it now. I got my step ladder and we're gonna see, hopefully there's nothing up there. I really don't remember at this point. Okay, this one doesn't fit, but honestly, it's just the garland, so I'm just gonna throw this box away. Some of the other stuff is like the star and the ornaments. I feel like I need the box for those kind of things. But yeah, the garland, it will be all right without the box. Okay, so it's about 5:30 now. I've swept everywhere. It looks so much better in here, but now I'm getting hungry and I still haven't been to the grocery store, so I don't really have like real food. Like I think I have like a can of beans, but I don't even think I have like rice to eat with it, because if I had rice to eat with it, I would just eat some rice and beans, but I literally don't have hardly anything. So I'm gonna order Chipotle. Sorry, I really, I really like Chipotle. Let me open up my app. Ooh, I get a free chips and queso. Yes, I love when I get like free stuff. So I'll add that. And I'm gonna do a salad today. Basically, I alternate between a salad and a bowl. To me, they're basically the same. The only difference is the salad has more lettuce, but honestly, it barely has more lettuce. I feel like they be gypping you on the lettuce for real. Okay, I've placed the order now. So I'm gonna relax a little bit. I wanted to show you guys some of my Amazon stuff. So I think I'll show you guys some of that. Yeah, I'll do that later. I was supposed to show it to you guys like a month ago. Like, I feel like I mentioned it in a vlog. I ordered a whole bunch of stuff from Amazon for like Prime Day. I got like sweater dresses, bodysuits, all sorts of stuff. And I think it's mainly because in November, which is when I would have posted it, I didn't post any videos for real because I got sick for like 2 weeks. So yeah. Okay, I just got my Chipotle literally delivered like this. I guess the DoorDash driver, he was saying when he got out of the car, I guess the bag was wet. He said it fell through. He said it didn't like fall onto the ground, but he was like, it did fall like in his car. And he was like, do you still want it? And I was like, do I still want it? Did it spill everywhere? And he was like, no. And I was like, well, yeah, I definitely still want it. But yeah, I see what he means though, because basically the whole bottom of this is like wet. That's happened before where my bag was kind of wet on the bottom because they didn't put the, yeah, I see it. It's because this is kind of bent, so the salsa is almost spilling out on the sides. Okay, so here's the salad. As you can see, it's kind of spilling over the side. That's why it kind of did that on the back. There's a little queso, and then the chips are right here in the bag. So I'm just gonna sit, eat this, and watch some Grey's Anatomy. Okay, so sorry if you hear a little bit of stuff in the background. My neighbors are playing music kind of loud. But anyway, this is the first bodysuit. I really like it. I got it in 2 colors. I was trying to see if I could show. It kind of cuts like right there on the side. This one is more of a thong, but I really like this style of bodysuit because I feel like you can wear it with a lot of different stuff. You can wear it during the fall, you can do it during the summer, winter, spring, all the seasons. I like this kind of cut right here. There is a little bit of bunching a little bit. I got this in a large, but honestly it's super stretchy, so I'm thinking I possibly could have gotten a medium, but I like the way they fit in a large, so I'll keep it. But there's the back. And let me just try on the black one really quick. It's nothing special. It's literally the exact same one. It is in black. Like I said, really love it. I also remembered it does have like a shelf bra inside of it, which I really like because I don't really like to wear bras. But yeah, I absolutely love this. Super soft, super stretchy. The clasp down there is comfortable and everything, because I've had bodysuits in the past that do not feel good, and these do. So I'm really happy with them. And I will be getting more colors for sure. So here's the next one. It's a different brand, but it's still very soft material, super stretchy. This one is a little different, doesn't have a shelf bra. It is long sleeves. It's a little bit of a lower cut, which I like. It's also a full bodysuit, so it's not like a thong style at the bottom. So here's the next one. I absolutely love this kind of style of bodysuit, especially like during the fall and winter. So I really like this one because it's not too thick, but it's also not too thin either. So I love the mock neck style. It's pretty stretchy, not as stretchy as the other ones that I just tried on, but stretchy enough. Still really, it still feels really good, super soft. So love that. It is also a full bodysuit instead of just the thong. Okay, so here's the next one. It kind of looks just like the bodysuit. The only difference is, as you can see, it stops right here. Also, if I get a little closer, okay, yeah, you can see like kind of the lines in it. It's honestly, to me, it's like a mixture between a sweater and a shirt. And I was hoping, when I picked it out, I was hoping it was more of like a shirt and it was just ribbed. So this is almost a little more thick than I would want it to be, but then like not thick enough to be a sweater, if that makes sense. So I don't know, this isn't like my favorite piece. Like I like the way it looks, but this isn't my favorite piece. So I don't know for sure if I'm gonna keep it, but I just wanted to show it to you. The white one fits the exact same, only difference it's white. This is the first dress. I really like it, but as you can see how it's kind of bubbling, I wish I had gone down a size. I got in a size large, which is typically what size I would wear in dresses. I knew it was stretchy, I just didn't know how stretchy. So if it had have just been slightly stretchy, this would have been perfect. But honestly, this is like, you see that? It's super stretchy. So I definitely really like it. I want it in a smaller size. Okay, so here is the next one. Has a cute little slit on the side. I love the way this one fits because it has like this tie right here. So it, you know, cinches in your waist a little bit more. Here, you can see I tied it a little bit. It cinches in the waist a little bit more since it is just a straight bodycon dress. It's super cute, right? This one is also a large. So you see like this one fits like, I mean, it's moving a little bit, but honestly, the way it's stretching, see, it's not really pulling away from my body. If I had gotten a medium, I might have been able to fit it in some spots, but I don't know if I would have been able to like really fit it over my hips. Okay, so here's the next one. This one is iffy for me because I feel like it fits. I don't really love like the pattern right here underneath like my armpit area. I need to put a bra on. And like, I guess you can kind of wear it off the shoulder like this. Part of me almost wishes I had maybe gone down a size in this one, because again, look how stretchy. I kind of wish I had gone down a size in this one, and I also wish I had gotten like a darker color, because I feel like the cream is just, I don't know. This is this one. So it was like, I like it, but I don't. Like, I almost like it for one of those like just lounging around the house kind of dresses, but like I feel like it doesn't really do much for my shape or just me in general. Like I feel like there's nothing, it's not giving anything. Like it goes like to my knee, so it's like that weird length. I like stuff either like kind of up here or like below my knee, and then also like it doesn't hug anywhere, which is fine. But I think it's just the fact that this is so big too. I feel like if it's not gonna be tight, like I almost need to be able to do like off the shoulder or something. I don't know. But honestly, what really ruined it for me is like I was trying on the dress for mom on FaceTime and she said I look like a sack of potatoes. And I was like, not a sack of potatoes. So that ruined it for me. So let me know, do you guys like this or not? Let me show the material up close so you guys can see. This is like, it's like an actual sweater. It's ribbed. Like this is, I honestly love the sweater material. Like it's fabulous. I love it. That's what almost made me keep it, but like it's just not doing anything for me. Alrighty, so I am done with my getting my makeup off. It's time for bed, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow. Love you guys. Bye.